Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to delete and add bookmark on Firefox browser. So guys, I'm click on Firefox, open and click three-line dot and bookmark. So guys, this is the bookmark getting start. So I'm just remove delete bookmark. You show just getting removes, so get help. So this is the delete bookmark. So I'm just create YouTube bookmark, so I'm click YouTube and click bookmark. Okay, bookmark toolbar, showing, editing, and when saving, so save. So just I'm new click and you show YouTube add and click right button and edit bookmark, delete bookmark, or add folder, so etc. So I click again bookmark YouTube, so I can delete bookmark, so already deleted. So I can subscribe our channel. So guys, do the video totally helpful, so please like and subscribe our channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. So goodbye.